Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to make a cool little bushcraft toy.
Toy?
Yeah, come a little closer.
Okay.
Okay, I've got two sticks.
Yeah.
And there is one more piece to it that I've already made, but it's very simple.
Okay.
This is just a piece of wood, real thin. Okay, I took a roofing nail and made a hole in that.
Okay.
And I took a smaller nail and I put it through that. Okay, so when we get to that, just know that I've already made that. It's real quick, real easy though. Simple and easy, okay?
Okay. おもちゃを作ってくれるんだって。ブッシュクラフトでおもちゃを作ってくれるんだって。で、もともと作ってくれた木のピースと釘を使います。
I'm going to carve this side flat and
平らに
this
して、
side flat.
反対側も平らにするんだね。
Okay, so we've got two flat pieces or flat sides.
うん、両方
And we're going to
出た方
carve
だね。うん。
notches into this. Okay,
うん。
carve a notch there.
こう削り取っていくんだ。どういう風に切ってるの？ How do you cutting?
At an angle this way,
うん。
and then
角
at
度を
an
つけ
angle
て
this way. Just make a little notch like that.
ジグザグに。
So we're just carving little notches in there.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now, we've got this piece that, should have kept that out, that we're going to do basically the same thing. We're going to make two flat sides.
同じように別の木のスティックを両サイド平らにしていくみたいだね。
Okay, that should be good. Now we're going to take a piece that I made earlier. We went over how to make that. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. Now we're going to take the nail.
すでに作ってあったやつのピースと
We're going to push this
釘
down.
をこの
And it should go in relatively easy with this type. Okay, so we made that. We're going to take our
穴を開けるのかな？ So make a hole
yeah.
in there and then
Okay.
okay.
All right, now.
Wow! Swing! Did I get the cold air?
Could it be a little fan? Yeah, if I can get it going fast enough, maybe, but...
涼しくなるかな、これ。Just fun. 楽しいね。
Yeah. Fun little toy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
All right.
実は僕たちは今、旅の途中です。だからいつもとちょっと違ったスタイルでお送りしました。
All right, we just decided to make a quick little video. We are on vacation.
Yes.
Way up in northern Minnesota.
Yeah.
And wanted to shoot a quick video for you guys. We'll see you soon. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like button and please subscribe.